show you the other two, they would require me to take off my pants. And I don't think that in our relationship this far, I'm comfortable with taking off my pants. Even though I have some really cute underwear on. You're gonna have to trust me on that. Oh, almost ruined. Oh, wait, do it again. Fall over. It's not finished. Is my power supply fucked up? Thank you. Ow. The book. If you know what that means. If not,